Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Maps not working. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now if you're on your iPhone and the Apple Maps app just isn't working, it's not showing you directions, it's not loading whatever it may be, I'll show you how to fix it. So the first thing that we're going to do is, if you have Apple Maps open, well, if I could do this right and close out of Apple Maps, the next thing we'll do is open up a web browser and we're just going to type in speed test here and hit run speed test. What you're basically checking to see is your closeout of Apple Maps. You're checking to see if you have a good and stable internet connection. Of course, Apple Maps need internet, either cell data or Wi-Fi to run. So if this looks good, you have a good and stable internet connection, you can move on to the next step. The next thing we'll do is head into your settings to do a couple of things here. So let's go down to privacy and security, and then at the very top, location services. Now you can see location services at the very top needs to be turned on because Apple Maps needs the ability to track and access your location. So after you do that, let's just go down to maps here, tap on it, and you can see on here I have it while using the app and precise location turned on. So you want to make sure if it's obviously set to never, then it can't work because it's not allowed to use your location. Now after you check that, and if you open up Apple Maps and it's still not working, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on general here and then iPhone storage. Now on this, it shows you every single app on your phone. Let's just scroll down until we find Maps here. And what we're going to do is offload Apple Maps and we're going to reinstall it. It downloads a fresh new version of that app on your phone. A lot of times there could be some bugs or glitches that could be causing it not to work properly. But after offloading and reinstalling, a fresh new copy is downloaded. And now I can basically just open it up and I should be able to see everything. I should be able to get directions, drop pins, share locations, all of that stuff. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.